Alright, so now we are here in Artistly, and I'm going to show you guys how you can create a wildlife animal cinematic movie if you are passionate about doing that, creating a video or uploading to YouTube to make shorts and whatnot. We're going to create a design, and we're going to go to Fast AI Image Generator. Okay, so from here on the top, we're gonna do the AI Image Designer. Take this one and select the category for photorealism. Okay, and here you're gonna paste the prompt. Okay, so I'm gonna put the prompt here, and all you're gonna do, guys, is just to change the one inside of the bracket. Brown bear. All right, and then the location, environment, or so I'm just gonna type here waterfalls and river, and that's it. So the time of the day, okay, that can just say midday. Okay, let's go here and let's put midday. You can do midnight, but it depends on the story that you want to talk about. Okay, so that's it. And splashes down, and then that's it. So I want to do this into let's say 9:16 ratio. So I'm gonna choose 4, and I'm gonna choose 9:16 because I'm gonna make a short video on YouTube about this animal cinematic movie. And I'm just gonna click generate, and let's wait for seconds. Wow, this is so fast. So now you see, guys, I got 4 of this brown bear in this prompt. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here, guys, is you can download this bulk. Okay, I'm gonna show you first. I'm gonna download it bulk, or you can download if you just want this or this one. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm gonna download all of it, and download selected, and download the zip file. Okay, so now we're going back to dashboard, and we're going to create another scene. Click this one and go to photorealism, and then we're gonna paste again another prompt. This is different prompt, but we're gonna use the same brown bear, okay, because our character from the first is a brown bear. And then submerge beneath water. Okay, maybe water type. I'm gonna go for waterfall. I'm gonna make it this 4 so that we have a choice, or you can use all of those. And then ratio is 9:16. Make sure to change the one in the bracket, and let's generate this one. All right, there you go, guys. Wow, you see this one? Wow, this is so beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna go again and bulk download this one, select all the rows, and download this. All right, then let's go back again to Artistly. Click this dashboard, and under this, go to photorealism and paste again the prompt. Of course, let's change this again to brown bear. Environment, let's say under the water. And that's it. All right, so I'm going to bulk download this. So we have 3 scenes that we just created in here, and you can create as many scenes as you want. Okay, so once we finish all of this, we get all of these images, and you want to do this on a video, what we're going to do is we're going to take all of these images inside of Video Express. All right, so now we downloaded all of this pair. So what we're gonna do, guys, is one by one. Okay, it's a little bit of work, but if you really want to create a video, so what you're gonna do is just you're gonna click one of this, you're gonna choose this, and you're going to change this to photorealistic. Just uncheck this one, and video booster. All right, so what we need here is the video action prompt. Okay, so what we're gonna do is to go to ChatGPT. All right, and we're going to ask create or write a video prompt for this image. Okay, we're gonna click the plus sign, we're going to do our photo, and we're going to click the image and open it. All right, so once you got the prompt, what you're gonna do is just to copy this one, and you're going back to Video Express. All right, and then you're going to paste here and create a video. And I'm gonna go photorealistic, click video, and then I'm gonna get the picture of this, then go back to ChatGPT and create same. Okay, create, or maybe say alright, a video action prompt for this image. Okay, then upload the image. All right, you will do the same process over and over again until you get all of the bear into the video. Okay, this one, copy, go back to Video Express and paste it here. Okay, and then create a video. Okay, so you're gonna do the same process, guys, over and over again until you finish all the bear that you just downloaded into these folders. All right, so once we finish all of this, I'm going back here to ChatGPT and I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to write a short story about the brown bear for cinematic videos. Bear, right? So let's see what story that ChatGPT can give to us. All right, so now next we're going to Video Express, and here we're going to create image. We're gonna use image to video since we get all the images from Artistly, right? And we downloaded it, so we're going to bring this up over here so we can create a video for those static images. All right, so now we're going to click image to video and click select. And now you see there's so many folders here, guys. So if you want to make your folder organized, you can create this plus sign. And let's say brown bear. I'm just going to create a folder for these animals. So I'm just going to add it. Alright, so now as you see, guys, we already have a brown bear. Where is it? Here. Here is the brown bear folder. And as you see, guys, when I click this, nothing inside. Alright, so now we're back here and we're going to look at all the videos that we just created. To do that, you're going to My AI, where is it? My AI. Alright, here you go. Go to My AI videos, click this folder, and as you see, guys, all the images that we created are now on the video. So what we're gonna do here is we're going to drag one by one over here. Okay. Just do like that, just drag it. I didn't did all of it, guys, just a few for the sake of this tutorial. Just want to see how to show you guys how it looks like. All right, and then you just go here and so that it's each other. If it is too long, then you can do like that. I'm just gonna make it bigger so you can see. And here at the bottom, we're gonna put the narration for the cinematic video. Okay, but before we do that, let's watch it. Alright, so now here is the 60-second story for that. So what I'm gonna do here, guys, is I'm just gonna copy all of this, and here we're going to paste the story here, and you're going to select the voice, and then once you finish with that, you check this box and create an audio. Alright, so now we're done, and we're just going to click this one to listen to it.
The river does not slow for anyone. Cold water crashes against stone, relentless and wild. And then he appears, a massive brown bear.
Okay, so we're going to download this. If that's okay with you guys, go download, and I'm going to save it. And then we're going back to Video Express and we're going to upload that audio. So to do that, go to Media Library and click the audio folder and upload that audio file. Okay, go ahead and go to your computer and find where did you save it. Open it and upload. This is the last part that you're going to do, and then after that you will see here, guys, and then all you're gonna do is just to drag it over here. Alright, so I think this narration is too long, and then you can also add more of the videos in this one. Let's play this one first, okay?
The river does not slow for anyone. Cold water crashes against stone, relentless and wild. And then he appears. A massive brown bear steps into the current. Power in every movement, calm in every breath. The water rises against his chest, but he does not hesitate. A battle. This is home. And as the current moves past him, he moves with it, part of the wild, part of the river, untamed and unafraid.
Alright, so that's all for today's tutorial, guys. That is how you can create a cinematic video inside of Artistly and Video Express. If you want to get the prompt that I use in here, guys, please go to my store. Okay, please go to my store, guys, and I'm gonna put the link on the description, and you will see, guys, here it's the wildlife cinematic blueprint for video making. So it costs a little bit, guys, but you can use this over and over and over again, and you can create as many thousands of videos as you want, as long as you have and get the blueprint. Go ahead, guys, I will put the link on the description and get the wildlife cinematic blueprint for your video making. And if you are interested to some of the applications or the apps that I have here and prompts that can help you to create your projects and make money of it, there you go. Just visit my site and feel free to see what tools that you need to help you grow. And I also have here a build once earn forever. Just put your name here and your email address, and you can submit this and download it for free. Okay, so this is a challenge to make just build once and you will earn forever. And just try this one, guys, and this is very powerful. I did this, that's why I'm sharing with you guys, so you can also create a nice project and make money of it. All right, so that's all for today's tutorial, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.